Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel that saves you from buying things that suck. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights in the mop arena: the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop. One is like a superhero for pet owners, and the other, well, it's just trying to keep your floors from looking like a disaster zone. So let's get mopping, shall we? First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is strutting in at a whopping $144, while the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is like, hey, I'm just $49. You could buy 3 BLACK+DECKER mops for the price of 1 Bissell. If you're on a budget and looking for a mop that won't break the bank, the BLACK+DECKER is your new best friend. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the BLACK+DECKER, making it a solid choice for those looking to save money. Now let's get to the juicy stuff: power and performance. The Bissell packs a punch with a power rating of 1,500 watts, providing enough steam to make your floors look so good your guests might mistake them for a runway. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER heats up in just 30 seconds too, but with a much lower wattage. Reviewers of the Bissell rave about its effectiveness in cleaning tough stains, while BLACK+DECKER users find it easy to use and effective for regular cleaning. It's like the Bissell is the Hulk, and the BLACK+DECKER is the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. They both get the job done, but one's a bit more explosive. Moving on to features, the Bissell is like a Swiss Army knife of steam mops, coming with 13 versatile tools, including an attachable water cup and odor-eliminating fragrance discs. Reviewers love the versatility and effectiveness of the Bissell for deep cleaning grout and stubborn stains. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER is keeping it simple with just one microfiber pad and a 12-foot cord. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward design, but some mention it could use an extra pad. It's like the Bissell is throwing a cleaning party, and the BLACK+DECKER is just there to help wash the dishes. But hey, sometimes less is more. Let's talk about design. The Bissell's lift-off feature is a game-changer for pet owners, allowing you to tackle messes above and below like a cleaning ninja. Reviewers highlight this feature as a major benefit. And the 25-foot power cord? You could literally mop the entire house without unplugging. In the other corner, the BLACK+DECKER comes with a swivel head, making it super easy to maneuver around furniture. Perfect if you have a cat that thinks your cleaning routine is a personal attack. Reviewers find it lightweight and easy to use, but some express frustration over the short cord. But let's be real, if your cat sees you with either of these mops, they're probably just going to stare at you like, "What are you doing? I thought we had an understanding." Safety first. Both mops promise no harsh chemicals, so you can clean your floors without worrying about your pets turning into superheroes with superpowers from all those cleaning products. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the power of steam, and reviewers confirm its effectiveness in leaving floors clean and chemical-free. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER is just trying to keep your floors sparkling, and users appreciate its ease of use. It's like the Bissell is the overachiever in class, while the BLACK+DECKER is more about that chill lifestyle. Hey, I clean too, just not with all the fanfare. In summary, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop receives high praise for its power, versatility, and ability to clean tough stains effectively, making it a favorite among pet owners. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is lauded for its affordability, lightweight design, and efficiency for regular cleaning tasks, though it lacks some features and has a shorter cord. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and budgets. So which mop should you choose? If you're a pet owner with a budget that can stretch a bit, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is your go-to cleaning sidekick. But if you're just looking for something reliable that won't make your wallet cry, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is your best bet. Either way, you can't go wrong with steam power. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Now go out there and mop like your floors depend on it, because they totally do. See you next time.